Hello students, another interesting question now. This is based on substitution method. We have identity only for second degree, that is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square equal to a cube plus b cube. Okay, so here it is linear and here it is quadratic, but here the third degree and sixth degree, don't worry about that. Convert into standard form. How to convert into standard form? So let x cube equal to a and x power 6 equal to a square. Okay, so what is the expression becomes? A plus 1 into a square minus a plus 1. Again apply the identity, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and rewrite this as a plus 1 into a square minus a into 1 plus 1 square, similar to that LHS. So what is the corresponding value? A cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube. Correct. So what is A? A is nothing but A, and what is B? B is nothing but 1, and hence which is equal to A cube plus 1. So whenever it is other than first degree, instead of linear, if it is any other power, and this should be square of that. So always use substitution method. Let you can solve any power of that. Okay, so one of the very simple 2-mark question, and by using which method? Substitution method. Thank you.